I really hope you guys have been having a great day so far. Hi, my name is Lexi for those who don't know, but if you are a regular and been watching my morning routine, you know that I always start the day off with some sort of exercise. Today we're doing tennis. We've been in the routine of playing tennis on a weekend morning, and it has just become a habit that we feel weird if we don't play it. What are your exercise goals, and have you been doing some kind of exercise in the morning? Do you do it daily, weekly? Well, I wouldn't suggest monthly, but do you do it daily or weekly? Let me know in the comments below. So after exercise, I decided that we are going to go back home, and I was going to paint over my nails. It's been long overdue, so I had to get that done. Then I'm going to wash my clothes because in true Jamaican fashion, it is time to do laundry, and we don't really use a dryer. We actually hang out our clothes. I'm sure you've seen me hang out my clothes in my previous vlogs, so I'm gonna just do that rinse and repeat, no pun intended, today.
Nothing could ever keep us from partying, leaving this romance behind. But now you're gone, and all I have is time. And though you're not here anymore, I still think about you. 'Cause baby,
So after the supermarket run, we got some stuff for cooking, and in Jamaica we normally like to cook together on a weekend because during the week we're just so busy. I started with my family. I made a ginger and cucumber juice. They say it's good for weight loss, but it really tasted so weird. I guess I have to get used to it, right? So moving on, today we're cooking quite a bit of stuff. I feel like when I move out, I'm going to try all the things in the recipe books because I do enjoy cooking, but I just don't enjoy crowds. Anyhow, I stopped to take a break to avocado toast with egg and some of the pasta that we made. It tasted so good. I went to town with that.
A number of Barbies wanted this particular spot, but only one can be the Barbiest Barbie of them all. Shawnee?
But her eyes are closed. You're teammate, don't close your eyes when her eyes are closed. 1, 2, 3.
Door, Alcor, windows.
Alright,
One animal when you want to keep your you said money. When you want to keep your money. Money piggyback! Yes.
Everybody was at night. Don't even talk. Too far out.
Bill. Money.
Go to school for this.
Education.
They do chemistry, they do physics.
Biology.
It's your birthday and you have to
Cake.
and what do you do with the candles? With the cake? Blow the candle.
Slice.